And welcome back everyone, and in this video, I believe it's vlog number 3, I'm going to give you a bit of a tour. I'm going to show you one of my sheds and some bits around the actual editing studio part and some of the mess, in case you want to see some of the mess and why I've got such a mess. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So, like I said in the past, I have been doing or building PCs for quite a long time, on and off. I haven't built any recently, but I'm going to show you in this video where I store most of my computer cases, and they're not down now. Don't know if you can see it. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can have a proper look. Alright, give me a second. Right, so there's my mess. As you can see, it is a proper mess, without a doubt. And the reason that's all like that is because I've ordered a new shed to store my boxes, because I need someone to store my boxes. Only the problem was that the shed never turned up. I paid for it, but it never turned up. But because I used my credit card, it's not my problem. I got my money back, sorted. But I still need the shed. So that is the first problem. There's some of my computers. So you got my main computer, which is that one there. That's my backup computer. That's my backup hard drive. Just a spare computer, all working, and same again now, spare computer, and also some more bits down there. Some of the bits I want to sell, so they're all waiting to go on eBay. So check out my eBay account, my computer chair, and here is some more rubbish. These are, well, not rubbish, these are projects I've either finished or I'm still working on, and some of them they've been on the go for several months because I like to do some updates on them as well. And one other thing I want to talk to you about before I go down the shed, I want to show you something else. And it is that I am working on a website. Yes, it's not actually, well, it's running of sorts, but I'm trying to make it into a professional website. So keep an eye out for that one. It may take me a few weeks, but I should have it done by the end of the year. That's all I can say. Right, let's go outside. I'll show you my other shed, or one of my sheds. I have a few sheds. Well, I've got two little ones. And my two little ones, they've just got my garden stuff in them. There's my main big shed that's got more gardening stuff, the bigger stuff. And then here, this one, which I've already opened, just save a bit of time, is where I store the rest of my computer cases. So I've got some Sahara gaming ones down there. Yeah, there's 3 there. That's the Sahara gaming one there. Some power supplies. Let's get you back up. Some power supply there, another one there. Some lighting or theatre lighting there. Yeah, so lots of going on. Spare light for studio. My big boy. My Mozart TX, which I've done all my water cooling on. That's still sitting there. Wants a good clean, I think, but that will have to wait for another day. Close it up. I'm going to lock it now. Let's have a look up here. My little fish pond. It's only a little one, as you can see. Yeah, there's 3 little goldfish in there. Trying to keep out the sun, I think they are. The garden plants are dying because there's a drought on at the moment. Oops, where are we? Let's go back inside. And we're back inside. Oh, my computer chair. I've had this for quite a while now. It's very comfortable. And I did do a video on it. I've been asked to do a few more videos on computer chairs. At the moment, I've not said yes or no to them because I don't want to do them. Are you going to follow me or what? You're not, are you? So yeah. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. My actual server, my network. So I have a QNAP there. Loads of switches, some fibre optics. Although they do get warm, by the way. Well, not the actual cables, but some of the connections can get really hot. And they've all been working well. It's fan controlled and it's controlled by that. So when it gets to 35, 36, yes, that will turn on the fans which are up the top, and at the moment it wants a good clean. Oh, my aircon, which is not on at the moment, which is unusual because I normally have it on at this time of the day because it's normally really hot in here because it's summer, of course. This little device here is a Zoom H6. It's what I normally do all my recordings on. I use a DJI and I connect it to that, and then that connects to my PC when I finish the video, and I can easily upload the videos to my computer. I have a Stream Deck over in the corner there at the back, which is, it's connected, but I haven't got the software set up to do automatic start. I like to only have it working when I need it, and I don't need it at the moment. This is for my audio out, and it will also do microphones as well, but that is connected to the speakers and obviously connected to the PC as well. And guess what? My phone died. Yeah, I was actually using this for the actual video, or for this video. So I've gone back to using my main camera now. Don't know why it died, it just suddenly stopped working. And I was only recording 1080p rather than 4K, because I know 4K is only good for about, well, 5 minutes when it will automatically cut out. Whereas 1080p won't, it will just keep recording normally. But today, it decided it didn't want to do any more videoing. Anyway, what I was going to tell you was about this, my main computer, this little baby. So I have the fans, or the RGB going from right to left. So it goes along there, up there, along there. But this one, which has my radiator on, these three fans here, they're going in the wrong direction. And that is all because I wired it up wrong. Yeah, I've got that linked to them top ones. So I need to do some reconfiguration of the actual cables. So I'm going to do probably a little video showing you, or hopefully showing you, how to put them correct, or how to put them three correct. Let me know in the comments whether you'd like to see a video on that. I'm going to do it anyway, but it'd be nice to know, what you think and what you would like to see, and also let me know what you would like to see more. My little server, my box with all my network on and or network in, and my QNAP in, that needs a good clean out, so I'll be giving that a good clean out at some point in the very near future, because dust can be your enemy, because it traps in heat, obviously. Well, hopefully it's obvious anyway. It's obvious to me. Now, what else can I tell before we go? One more thing. So my sister-in-law, she come up one day and we sat out in the garden drinking wine, having a chit chat. You know how it is. Anyway, I didn't realise how drunk she was. Because she said, "Oh, I'm just going to go and use the toilet." I went, okay. So she came in. All suddenly I heard this crash, wallop, bang. She goes, Dave, help me. So I come rushing in. She's only fallen backwards and sat on top of one of my monitors. I've got a monitor sitting on the floor. Yeah, it's on a stand. So I thought, Jesus Christ, how did you end up down there? It's not even in your way. So that's another reason I need to have a good clean out, because it's just getting messy and it needs sorting out, and I want to do it. So I'm going to get or buy a shed at some point in the very near future, and stick it out the front for all my boxes, all my empty boxes. That will help a lot, and then I can sort out or rearrange things in here, make it look even nicer. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and let me know if you'd like to see more vlogs. I've had really good feedback at the moment, so I'm pleased with that. It's early days yet, so hopefully if I do at least one a week. I've been advised to try and do one a day. That's not going to happen. I do go work. I only work 3 days a week, but I have other things that I do as well. I go to the gym sometimes 4 times a week, so that takes up some of my time. In the mornings I like to go to the gym. Obviously I'll go work like I just said, and I'm normally video editing or making videos for the YouTube channel. And sometimes, you might be surprised, but sometimes you don't ever see the videos, and I will tell you why in the next video. So with that, thank you very much for watching. You know what to do: subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and give this video the thumbs up. Catch you later.